it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. As you just saw, something is missing in the GTI. So actually today, I had been hopping around online, checking out some for sale posts on the Golf Mk7 forum, and I had been looking for an enclosed intake for a little while, specifically the Injen Evolution one with the hood vents and everything. I just didn't want to take any chances of water getting on the air intake and sucking that into the engine, so an enclosed air intake was the move. I posted my old one online, someone bought it right away, sold it today, and now I've got the Injen Evolution closed air box system to install on the Mk7 GTI. So some of you may be asking, you know, what's the difference? Well, there's not really that much of a difference, except that the Evolution system is a more, enclosed unit. Like I said, the filter is inside of a box, so no elements or anything can get on it from the outside world, especially with the hood vents. As you can see, we've got the rain guards in, but I poured a bunch of water into the top just to test to make sure, I could see where that water would be going in the rain, and a little bit was getting on the filter. And there's other intake systems that you can get that are open air filters, short ram intake systems, or whatever you want to call them, that fit the filter differently to where I might be able to do this, but I knew that an enclosed box would be fine and out of the elements. So one thing that you're probably gonna notice is that with a enclosed system, you're gonna lose a little bit of that turbo sound. My old intake, the Injen one, was awesome. It sounded like this. And especially with the hood vents added, it was so loud. You could hear the turbo spooling, and you could hear it, the engine breathing through the hood, and it was super, super cool. We're gonna lose a little bit of that sound, but I think the quality and the enclosed system is just gonna work better for what I'm doing with the car now. So we're gonna throw it in. It's like 110 degrees in the garage today. I'm hoping summer is coming to an end soon, even though it's fall already. But yeah, so show you guys what the pieces are. So you get your main box with the ducting in the front, and it has the system right here that the air filter goes into and then closes inside of the box. It's also got its own little inlet pipe here, and it comes with this filter with the little knob on the end of it, because this little thing, I guess, tells you if it's time to change your filter. Kind of stupid, but anyways, we're not even using that. Bought the old Spectra filter from AutoZone. This was the only one that they had, so I'll be sure to replace that with something better in the future. This was a used unit, so clamps and everything. But yeah, so we're gonna throw it together, get the filter on this part right here, put it in the box, hook everything up, and show you guys a sound clip after this is all installed. guys, here it is, the Injen Evolution intake installed on the Mk7 GTI. This should work on, I think, an R, GTI, Mk7, Mark 7.5, some Audis. Like, this is a, if you have this engine, this will most likely fit. So with that being said, let's hop in the car, start it up, and we will do a little sound test. So as you probably heard, it's a much more subdued engine tone. Sounds fine to me still. I'm sure once I get on it, driving and everything like that, you'll be able to hear the like diverter valve open and hear that whoosh noise that a turbo would give you with the intake. This is not like stock levels, so I'm hoping that it'll sound a little bit better. Certainly not a short ram intake though, but this car needed an enclosed box. So hood is back down and everything. I've got one more piece coming for the engine bay, hopefully here soon. So we'll have a short little install video on that. Miata awaiting an alignment still. I don't believe I have anything on order for this car right now, but it needs an alignment. I'm ready to drive it. It's been too long. So if you guys enjoyed this video, happy with the install. I can't wait to hear the car driving and testing it out and everything like that. It does have the secondary air injection tube. Might I just add that? This kit does come with it, but I think you can get a plug for it if you don't have that on your car. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.